Hello everyone, the machine we're now introducing is our newly launched MYOSLIM magnetic slimming device, which is powerful, safe, and easy to use. It uses a powerful magnetic with up to 3,000 gases, which helps burn fat and shape the body. The device also combines EMS, infrared thermotherapy, and radiofrequency technology to enhance slimming effects. With CE and ROSE certification, providing comfortable and safe use. Easy to operate, adjustable parameters, suitable for home or beauty salon. Let's take a treatment. First, you need to setting parameters suitable for your clients. Four handles can working together. The large flight handles can be used for the body area like abdomen, legs, and buttocks, while the two small curved handles can be used for bent parts of the body such as the leg and the arms. So we fix all the handles in the body you need to treat.